I will show how to buy shares of Value8 NV, a publicly listed investment holding with industrial and technology interests. It trades on Euronext as Value.NV, and this is educational content only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you'll need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker Value.NV to find Value8 NV. Select the listing that shows Euronext and Value.NV to ensure it's the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll see a short company profile and a price chart for reference. Confirm the page shows Value8 NV with ticker Value.NV before moving on. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your open position will appear in the portfolio view. A soft link to eToro is included in the description if you want to follow this example.